G'day folks, it's Lewis here again at AI Megavault. Today's video is all about cloning your own voice and how you can replicate yourself through some AI apps. And today's AI app is Controlla Voice, an amazing tool I discovered recently. And I was thinking, and I would really like to add my own voice to some of my AI creations, some of my AI generations. And there is a way to do it, but there is a bit of a challenge to it because we know that AI does drift with elongated periods of time. So today we're going to go and record my vocals into Controlla Voice and see if Controlla Voice can actually replicate my tone, my timbre, my sound, my frequencies. And then when I go and actually utilize it, does it actually sound like me? All right, let's go straight into Controlla Voice and select Create a Voice from the menu. And we come to this page here. So you got two options in your recording. You can upload some clean vocals if you're a studio professional. You got to make sure you've got at least 10 minutes of audio. You want it in a nice clean environment and it's been treated by a studio. We don't have that. We have me and my microphone here at home. Controlla Voice gives you the options to choose your own microphone. I actually want to use my Rode microphone as our audio input and then the Rode microphone as our audio output. This is a fantastic microphone headphone setup. It's completely USB-C and the quality is phenomenal. Okay, so let's go into Controlla Voice and record some audio. Now it does require at least 10 minutes of audio recording, and I'm just going to sing my own compositions of songs I've written in the past. And let's go down the bottom here. I am headphone ready. Let's check that audio. That audio is good. It says your environment noise level is noisy. It's not noisy. It says choose a small quiet room where you won't be interrupted. Close all the windows. Switch off the fans or appliances. Avoid hard-walled spaces like bathrooms. Now it wants us to follow some karaoke. Is there anything in here that I could do? Probably Hotel California, A Whole New World, maybe somebody that I used to know, but I don't really want to use any of those. So can I just start singing? If I was to select one, and then let's just go and record. We don't need to actually press play on our karaoke version of Hotel California. I'll just sing my own songs. Okay, we're in Controlla Voice and we are recording my voice to get Controlla Voice to replicate and regenerate my tone, my timbre, my frequencies, my overall human voice. Here we go. I'm in love with you, in love with you. What else can I do? I'm in love with you. I know we could break through it if we could just get to it just once. Okay, so there we go. We've done the 10 minutes worth of vocal recording of me just singing into a microphone. Oh, it took me back. A couple of classics there. I did Just Once, as I did Anytime. Yeah, it was wonderful to be singing again. But yeah, we're going to just let Controlla Voice do its thing and see if it can actually recreate my timbre, my sound, my frequencies, my whole overall voice. All right, so now that the vocals have been recorded and uploaded, here is the moment in time where we get to create the voice. Should we have a quick audition to the recording? I'm in love with you, in love with you. Okay, so it sounds nice and clean, nice and full. Let's go and see what Controlla Voice can do. Create voice. Let's give it a name. Let's call this one Lewis 2026 V2. I understand. And we're going to go and create now. I do wonder if you added more vocal samples, would that help? Would that assist in creating a better AI clone? So now it's creating the voice. Let's see how long that takes and we'll come back with some results. So now we've moved into the creation stage. Cloning is in progress. This can take up to 3 hours. Feel free to close this tab and check back later. Lewis 2026 V2.
Let's do that, because
I want to know what it sounds like.
2026 V2 is
There's
now
no actual
being
audition
generated.
feature here.
I am a little bit nervous about what is about to happen, because I've heard Lewis 1, and I'm going to say it wasn't what I expected, but we're going to see what Lewis 2.
Now, if you found any of this content educational, interesting, share the content, like the video, and then subscribe to the channel so then I can continue pioneering and going down this rabbit hole and finding more and more interesting ways of looking at AI and seeing what it comes up with. So Controlla Voice has now generated the swap voice rendition, or the generation of Prompt Me by the Mega Boy Band, and using my vocal. Actually haven't heard my vocal on this before. So there's the full song original, there's the vocals, instrumentation, and then this is the original version here. All right, here we go with the full song.
I'm ready to fulfill your demand. Oh yeah, girl. When you need a helping hand, I'm ready. So from me, when you think you just need my help, breathe, and you can't do this all by yourself. And you can call me 'cause I'm prepared.
Dude, that's pretty damn close. That's pretty impressive. That does sound like me.
Oh, this I swear I'll be there. Somebody's calling, to fulfill your demand.
Does that mean I have to go back and add all my songs into Controlla Voice so then it can generate my own voice?
When you need a helping hand, I'm ready, so promise.
That's pretty amazing. I'm going to say that's 90% of my own vocal tone and frequencies. Okay, so now let's go and listen to the Controlla Voice's version of my own vocal as it's replaced the lead vocal from my track. This will be interesting.
Yeah. Wow, 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 it's my next come night. Oh.
Should I sing along with it just to compare?
I'm ready to fulfill your demand. Oh yeah, girl. When you need a helping hand, I'm ready. So from me, go.
Does that sound like me? Is it close? It does have some resemblance to my voice, doesn't it? It's just slightly out. It's not 100%. It's not 99%. But it's close enough that maybe I can pass it on to friends and family and see what they think. See if they think that's actually me. I'll do that. That's another video. If you liked any of this content, if you found anything educational or interesting, share the content, like and subscribe to the channel. And I'm sure I will see you in the next one as we continue down this rabbit hole of AI.